We are in Provinciales, Turks and Caicos, the gorgeous blue island. And what is there to do here? Well, you can read about clear kayak tours, get some beautiful pictures in a clear kayak. You can do some catamaran sailing. You can learn to scuba dive. Lots and lots of water activities. When you are in Turks and Caicos, it is all about the beautiful Grace Bay Beach and the gorgeous blue water. So right now we are at Princess Alexandra National Park. This is a free park to go to snorkel. Keep in mind, you need to stay outside the buoys, be a good citizen, be a good person, do not go in them. Follow the rules on the sign, but walk down here and enjoy this beautiful free activity. We are at Beaches Turks and Caicos right now, our favorite place to be in Turks and Caicos. If you are looking at the ocean, you're gonna take a left and you're gonna go down about a quarter of a mile until you see this sign of Princess Alexandra National Park. Right in front of it is Afternoon Cafe, and there you go. Best thing to do. Straightaway Travel has your back. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at zero cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.